Dear students, in the chapter Explore India, we will be learning about Republic of India, political and administrative divisions, physical divisions of India, and the countries surrounding India. The Republic of India is the official name of India, is a country in Asia. It is located in South Asia. India has more than 1.39 billion people, which is the second largest population in the world. It is the seventh largest country in the world by area. The capital of India is New Delhi. India is a peninsula. Latin word is penny, which means almost, and insula means island. Surrounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea on the west, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. It has the third largest army in the world. India has the largest number of spoken languages in the world, so it is a multilingual society. Many people of different religions and different social traditions live here, yet they are united. And this is the unique feature of India. For good governance, India has been divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The division of the states and union territories is based mainly on the respective languages spoken in these areas. Children, now we will look that states are further divided into districts. Each state and union territory has a separate government to take care of its administrative needs. Area-wise, 7 states in the northeastern India are called the Seven Sisters. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state in India. Let's look into the countries that are surrounding India. India has 8 neighbors. Pakistan and Afghanistan lie to its northwest. China, Nepal and Bhutan to its north. Bangladesh and Myanmar, which was previously known as Burma, to the east, and Sri Lanka, earlier known as Ceylon, in the south. India, together with its neighboring countries, is known as the Indian subcontinent. India can be divided into 6 physiographic regions. They are number 1, the northern mountains, number 2, the northern plains, number 3, the western desert, number 4, the southern plateaus, number 5, the coastal plains, and number 6, the islands. Now, my dear children, let's have a quick recap. Number 1, the Republic of India is a country in Asia. Number 2, India has the second largest population in the world. On number 3, we have Rajasthan is the largest state in area. And area-wise, the smallest state is Goa. And on the last recap, we have China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka are the neighboring countries of India. Now it's time for Brainy Facts. We have the length of coastline of Indian mainland is 6,100 km long. Haryana and Punjab share Chandigarh as a common state capital. This is because Haryana was a part of Punjab till 1966. India is a founding member of the World Trade Organization, that is WTO. The southernmost tip of India is Indira Point. It is located in the Nicobar district of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. After reorganization in 2019, Jammu and Kashmir is a union territory with its own legislative government, while Ladakh is still a union territory but without any elected legislature. New Delhi, the capital of India, is the largest metropolis in India. It has its own legislative assembly, lieutenant governor, council of ministers, and chief minister. Terrain is an area of land which usually has a particular type of physical feature, like Jaisalmer is sandy and Shillong is hilly. Dear children, if you like the video, share your valuable comments, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates on social studies. Thanks for watching and keep learning.